Number 18. Y is inversely proportional to the cube root. The cube root, read the question, of x plus 5. So y is inversely proportional to cube root of x plus 5. So first step, remember, you always need to find what is a k. This is your first step. So just use the information here. 12 equal to k over cube root of x is 3 plus 5. So 12 equal to k over cube root of 8. Get 12 equal to k over 2. So your k equal to 24. Once you get the k, so you get your formula is y equal to 24 over cube root of x plus 5. So the question asks for x equal to 22. So when x equal to 22, y equal to 24 over cube root of 22 plus 5. So you get y equal to 24 over cube root of 27, or equal to 24 over 3. That will give you 8. So that's all. So remember, practice is the key, and good luck with your studies. And if you feel that this video helped you, and please subscribe, and I'll see you again. Bye-bye.